Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you engaging and insightful content that delves deep into the lives of the incredible creatures that inhabit our planet. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's explore the wild side of life together. Today, I want to talk about bees. First, I provide a comprehensive explanation about honeybees, and then I introduce various types of bees. Honeybees, scientifically known as Apis mellifera, play a crucial role in ecosystems and agriculture through their pollination activities. Their intricate social structure and fascinating behavior have long captured the interest of scientists and beekeepers alike. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the life of honeybees, their colony dynamics, the process of honey production, and the significance of bees in our environment. Honeybees exhibit a highly organized social structure within their colonies. A colony typically consists of three primary castes. Queen bee. The queen is the sole reproductive female in the colony. Her primary role is to lay eggs, and she can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. Queen bees are larger than worker bees and have a distinctive long abdomen. Worker bees. Worker bees are females that do not reproduce. They perform various tasks such as foraging, nursing, and hive maintenance. Worker bees progress through different roles in their lifespan, starting as nurse bees and later becoming foragers. Drones. Drones are male bees whose primary purpose is to mate with a virgin queen. Unlike worker bees, drones do not have stingers and have larger eyes. The life cycle of a honeybee undergoes 4 stages. Egg. The queen lays eggs in individual cells within the hive. Larva. The egg hatches into a larva, which is fed by worker bees. Pupa. The larva transforms into a pupa within a capped cell. Adult bee. The fully developed adult emerges from the capped cell. The life cycle duration varies for each caste. Queens take about 16 days, workers 21 days, and drones 24 days. Honeybees communicate through a complex system of pheromones, vibrations, and dances. The waggle dance, for instance, is used by forager bees to convey the location of food sources to other members of the colony. Worker bees forage for nectar and pollen to sustain the colony. During this process, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating pollination. This crucial ecological service supports the reproduction of numerous plant species, including many crops. The honey production process begins with worker bees foraging for nectar from flowers. Bees have a specialized proboscis, a long tube-like tongue, which they use to extract nectar from the flowers. Once a forager bee collects nectar, it stores it in its honey stomach, a separate pouch from its regular stomach. Enzymes in the honey stomach begin to break down complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars. Back at the hive, forager bees transfer the processed nectar to worker bees through a process called trophallaxis. This communal sharing of food helps distribute the nectar throughout the hive. Worker bees within the hive continue the process of nectar transformation. They regurgitate and re-ingest the nectar, further breaking down the sugars. During this process, water content is reduced through evaporation. The partially processed nectar, now referred to as honey, is deposited into cells within the honeycomb. Bees fan the honeycomb with their wings to accelerate evaporation and reduce moisture content. Honey ripening is the final stage in the hive. It involves capping the honey-filled cells with beeswax once the desired moisture content, usually below 20%, is achieved. Capping seals the honey, preserving it for long-term storage. Beekeepers harvest honey by removing the capped frames from the hive. They then extract honey by using centrifugal force to spin the honey out of the comb. The extracted honey may contain impurities like beeswax and bee parts. Beekeepers filter the honey to remove these impurities before bottling the final product. Successful honey production also involves effective beekeeping management. This includes monitoring hive health, controlling pests, providing supplementary feeding when necessary, and ensuring the overall well-being of the colony. Honeybees are vital pollinators for a wide variety of flowering plants, including many crops that contribute to human diets. Without bees, the reproduction of numerous plant species would be compromised, impacting ecosystems and agriculture. The pollination activities of honeybees contribute to the biodiversity of ecosystems. By facilitating the reproduction of diverse plant species, bees support the animals that depend on those plants for food and habitat. The economic impact of honey bee pollination is substantial. Many crops, such as almonds, apples, and berries, depend heavily on bee pollination. The global economic value of crops pollinated by bees is estimated to be in the billions of dollars. Apart from pollination services, honeybees provide valuable hive products. Honey, beeswax, royal jelly, propolis, and bee venom are among the substances harvested by beekeepers for various commercial and medicinal purposes. Honeybees are also considered environmental indicators. Their health and behavior can reflect changes in the environment, such as pesticide exposure or shifts in plant blooming patterns. The use of pesticides, especially neonicotinoids, poses a significant threat to honey bee populations. These chemicals can affect bee behavior, navigation, and overall health, leading to colony collapse. Varroa destructor is a parasitic mite that infests honeybee colonies, feeding on both adult bees and brood. Varroa mite infestations can weaken colonies and transmit viruses, contributing to colony losses. Urbanization, monoculture agriculture, and deforestation result in habitat loss for honeybees. Lack of diverse foraging options can impact their nutrition and overall colony health. Changes in climate patterns can affect the availability of flowers and disrupt the synchronization between bee foraging and plant blooming. Extreme weather events can also impact hive survival. Bees are various types, and here I introduce 12 species of them. Honeybees or genus Apis. Bumblebees or genus Bombus. Bumblebees are large, fuzzy bees known for their distinctive black and yellow coloration. Unlike honeybees, bumblebee colonies are annual, with only the queen surviving the winter to start a new colony in the spring. Bumblebees are excellent pollinators and are crucial for the pollination of certain crops such as tomatoes and blueberries. They are social insects, but their colonies are much smaller than those of honeybees. Mason bees or genus Osmia. Mason bees are solitary bees that do not form colonies. Instead, each female builds and provisions her own nest. They are excellent pollinators and are often used in orchards to enhance fruit production. Mason bees get their name from their habit of using mud to construct and seal their nests. Carpenter bees or genus Xylocopa. Carpenter bees are solitary bees that often nest in wood, hence their name. Female carpenter bees create tunnels in wood to lay their eggs. And they may reuse old tunnels or create new ones. While they are important pollinators, carpenter bees can be considered pests when they damage wooden structures. Leafcutter bees or genus Megachile. Leafcutter bees are solitary bees named for their habit of cutting leaves to build their nests. They use the leaf pieces to line and seal their nests, which are often found in hollow plant stems or other cavities. Leafcutter bees are valuable pollinators, and some species are used commercially to pollinate crops like alfalfa. Sweat bees or family Halictidae. Sweat bees are a diverse group of bees that are often attracted to human sweat, hence their name. They are generally small and can be metallic green, blue, or brown in color. Sweat bees can be solitary or social, and many are important pollinators for a variety of plants. Andrena bees or genus Andrena. Andrena bees, commonly known as mining bees, are ground nesting bees. They often create tunnels in sandy or loose soil for nesting, and each female typically has her own burrow. Andrena bees are important pollinators for many wildflowers. Halictidae or sweat bees. The family Halictidae includes a diverse group of bees, many of which are small to medium in size. They are commonly referred to as sweat bees due to their attraction to human sweat. Sweat bees are often important pollinators for both wildflowers and agricultural crops. Cuckoo bees or subfamily Nomadinae and subfamily Aponae. Cuckoo bees are a group of bees that do not collect pollen or nectar for their larvae. Instead, cuckoo bees lay their eggs in the nests of other bee species, where their larvae consume the stored food. They are considered kleptoparasites of other bees. Africanized honeybees or hybrid of European and African honeybees. Also known as killer bees, Africanized honeybees are a hybrid of the western honeybee and various African honeybee subspecies. They are known for their aggressiveness in defending their nests and have earned a reputation for being more defensive than other honeybee varieties. Stingless bees or various genera. Stingless bees are a diverse group of bees found in tropical and subtropical regions. They are unique in that they have a reduced or absent stinger, making them incapable of inflicting painful stings. Stingless bees are important pollinators and are kept by some cultures for honey production. Digger bees or family Anthophoridae. Digger bees are solitary bees that nest in the ground. They are named for their habit of digging burrows in soil for nesting, and they are important pollinators for various plants. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Your support keeps me creating awesome videos. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.